Hey y'all, so today I am reorganizing my vintage Barbie case and it's just overstuffed with so much stuff. So we're gonna just take out these girls and just organize this so it's only vintage clothes. And yeah, I'll show you guys a little bit of what I have and you can see what's inside here. Yeah, lots of stuff for Barbie. And so let's organize it. Let's check it out. Alright, so we've got our handmade, some of our handmade stuff. This is a Barbie signature. And we have a lot of vintage dresses we need to hang up. Lots of vintage dresses. So yeah, here we go. Okay y'all, so I finished organizing. Sorry I couldn't really get any of the action going in the video, but I found I have three vintage solo in the spotlight and one reproduction. This is a red flame outfit, and I've got this jacket for evening enchantment, and I've got three of these plantation belle dresses. I've got a good little collection going. So you guys might have seen these when Barbie sang her Madonna song in one of my last videos. And so just like and subscribe if you want to see me dress some of our vintage Barbies in these outfits, and comment below which we've got our pink bolero, and I just added this one in there just because it's a coat. We've got our red coat over here, and we've got our winter coats. We've got a little bit of mod outfits going, retro. I really like this one. This red one needs a little bit fixing, but it's really cute. And I washed them before I put them on Barbie. We've got a vintage radio back there. And yeah, I really want to get a Roman holiday dress next. And down here we have all of her bathing suits. Malibu Barbie's bathing suit, and this one of our clones came in that one. Got some polka dot outfits, lingerie. Check out that bra, it's cute. And here we've got just our vintage hats and handmade purses. It's a cute little 40s hat. We've got our mini fashion purse, and in here we've got just a lot more vintage things. Let's see. We've got our Barbie lingeries, some coats, and two of our evening, golden evening, I forget the name of that one, but yeah, so let's see what else. We've got a lot of these gowns that are handmade. This is all handmade stuff. There's a couple holiday gowns right there, and so yeah, so far all I've got is this little corner from my collection. I just cleared out some of my supplies up there, and I'm gonna be adding maybe some lights and maybe some pink up there. Yeah, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.